Individuals often get colds and flu during the winter and the spring seasons. The symptoms are all too familiar: runny nose, cough, congestion, headache, and achy body, and sometimes fever. According to Ayurveda, cold is a kapha vata disorder. The body builds up an excess of cool and moist kapha qualities, resulting in congestion and a runny nose. And at the same time, it may suffer from excess vata, which reduce agni, gastric fire, leading to chills, loss of appetite, and poor digestion. The best remedy for cold is ginger. Here are several simple home remedies using ginger that will greatly relieve your cold symptoms. 1 part of ginger, 1 part cinnamon, 2 parts lemongrass. Steep 1 teaspoon of this formula for about 10 minutes in 1 cup of hot water. Strain it and add honey for sweetness if you like. If you drink this delicious tea several times a day, it will help to take care of your cold, congestion, and flu. Another excellent remedy is ginger, cardamom, and cinnamon tea. Here is the formula: 2 parts ginger, 3 parts cinnamon, and just a pinch of cardamom. Steep 1 teaspoon in a cup of hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. When the tea has cooled down somewhat, you can add about half to 1 teaspoon of honey for taste. Boil 1 teaspoon ginger or a few eucalyptus leaves in a pint of water. Turn off the fire, put a towel over your head, and inhale the steam. This will relieve congestion and help you feel much better. Just steam alone with no herbs added at all will also be beneficial. Try half teaspoon fennel seed powder mixed with 1 teaspoon natural sugar 2 or 3 times a day. For a cold with cough and congestion, mix half teaspoon cinnamon and 1 teaspoon honey. Eat this mixture 2 or 3 times a day. For flu, make a tea from 1 teaspoon tulsi in 1 cup water. Boil for just 1 minute and then drink. Don't combine ginger and aspirin. Ginger and aspirin are both blood thinners and should not be taken together. So it is wise to drink ginger tea or use any other ginger remedy either 2 hours before or 2 hours after to take any aspirin. Taking some vitamin C will be beneficial. Drinking hot water several times a day is an effective way to remove toxin from the system and speed up recovery from cold. Strictly avoid dairy products such as yogurt, cottage cheese, and milk, and all cold drinks. Rest is very important for healing. As much as possible, rest, read, and relax. Ayurveda says that when you have a cold, it is best not to do vigorous exercise, which can set up the conditions for the cold to move into the chest. Just do some gentle yoga asana. Surya Namaskar is beneficial. The inverted postures including soldier stand and headstand hold for only about 1 minute, as well as forward bend help to prevent postnasal drip and help to drain the mucus from the nose. Use the breath of fire breathing exercise to help burn up your cold. Inhale normally and passively, but exhale forcefully. and repeat rapidly several times. This exercise will help to eliminate mucus from the respiratory tract. Another effective breathing exercise is deep alternate nostril breathing without retention of breath. This will also help to relieve congestion. As a preventive measure, take the herb Amalaki. It is a rejuvenative tonic and good source of vitamin C and iron. Taking 1 teaspoon of Amalaki daily with warm water at night will help to prevent the common cold.